Welcome to this tutorial on how to open a new window in Google Chrome on your PC. This feature is incredibly useful for multitasking, allowing you to manage multiple browsing sessions seamlessly. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop or selecting it from your taskbar. Ensure that your Chrome is updated for the best performance and security. Next, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu filled with various options. Now, in that drop-down menu, find and click on New Window. This action will instantly open a fresh Chrome window, separate from your existing one. This new window will have a blank tab ready for you to start browsing any website you desire. Using this method allows you to work on different tasks simultaneously without cluttering a single window with multiple tabs. It's perfect for comparing information or managing different projects at once. If you prefer a quicker way to open a new window, there's a handy keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. This shortcut will achieve the same result as clicking through the menu, but in a fraction of the time. And there you have it. You now know how to open a new window in Google Chrome on your PC with just a few clicks or keystrokes. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your productivity and browsing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy browsing!